Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at one indicator that goes deeper than the price ATH, the market cap ATH change. This one gives you a real picture of a project's valuation decline. Let's get into it. Let's take as an example Chainlink with a pretty good score, pretty good tokenomics scores of 93/100. When you scroll down, you will see the market cap ATH change. This metric compares the token's market capitalization on the day it reached its all-time high price with its current market capitalization, and that distinction is important because the price ATH and the market cap ATH can tell very different stories. Here's why. Between the ATH date and today, the circulating supply may have changed significantly. New tokens get unlocked, vesting schedules release more supply, and sometimes tokens are even burned. So even if the price has dropped by 80%, the market cap might have dropped by less, because there are now more tokens in circulation. For Chainlink, over there, its market cap ATH is minus 73%, and now if you catch up these with the drawdown from its ATH, that we can see over there, of minus 84%, we can see that there is a big difference between these two. That difference, roughly 11 percentage points, is explained by the increase in circulating supply. Since May 2021, more linked tokens are now in circulation, which partially offsets the price decline in terms of overall variation. This is exactly why these indicators exist alongside the price ATH. If you only look at the price, you might think the project has lost more value than it actually has, or inversely, if supplies have grown dramatically, the market cap decline could be smaller than the price decline. But the dilution itself is a concern. Here, no specific color code for this indicator. It's purely informational and contextual, but it adds crucial layer of understanding to your analysis. As always, you can click on the score to go to the CoinGecko page and see the full market cap history. Compare it with the price chart and the supply data to get the complete picture. The market cap ATH change gives you a truer measure of how far a project has really fallen from its peak. Head over to cryptoscores.com to check it for any project, and we will see you there in the next one.